what's her favorite mom in the Bible and why does she like it?
Okay, thank you, Nino, for the question. Wow, my favorite verse in the Bible would have to be Jeremiah 29, verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you a future. And that is my favorite moment because no matter what God gives me in life, I find myself in the down times of life, I always remember that God's ultimate plan for me is that I may prosper in this life. And that is the reason why that is my favorite moment, because God promised me, He promises all of us a prosperous life.